Gingerbread and Jelly Bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. Thank you very, very much for responding to the last video. I really appreciate it. I don't know if I bad my body up or telling me I'm not gonna fight, me gonna respond, and comment and stuff like that. I like the feedback, I like to interact, and hear from my my subscriber, my Gingerbread and Jelly Bean. I like to have your opinion and hear how you feel. That makes me more encouragement to make more videos. That encourages me, to continue to do what I do. It makes me feel good as an individual to be able to talk to people, from all over the world and, express my view and share my opinion, and you guys share it and I agree or disagree and I like it, I like that. That makes me, feel better as a person. The views are important, but I think the comments and your feedback and the interaction, I think, that's equally important. So now today, I have a question as well. Today I want to ask you, have you ever been in a situation where you acknowledge that you have bad habits and you then want to change? However, the environment that you're in is not conducive for you to change. It's not helping you to push you in the direction that you want to go, where change, will occur. I've seen and experienced that. I've been in situations where I'm not in the right environment to change, and it's like it's a war. It's like warfare. You're fighting to change, but your environment is so negative per se. It's so, it's not welcoming. It's not a good environment per se for you to change. My advice for that is that try to get out of that environment. If you can't get out of that environment, physically, and when I mean physically, get out of the environment. Sometimes we have to take breaks from where we live. Sometimes we have to take breaks from our job. Sometimes we have to forget it mentally. On a mental level, we have to take our mind away by listening to music, by watching movies, by spending time with people that are not in that environment, just to escape it all. Sometimes we have to find means and ways of doing that. If you can't do it, on a physical level, where you can jump in a car and drive go somewhere, or drive go to the beach, or drive go to the movie, you can go home, turn on a computer, or turn on your TV, watch some movies, let your mind escape, let your mind see different, culture, let your mind just wander away and kind of help you to get out of that mental state where you want to change, but the environment around you keep thinking about it. Oh, how am I going to do this? But these people are so negative. How am I going to stop doing this when it's around me? So you see what I'm saying? So a next example is, what if you're a smoker and you want to stop? It's very important for you to stop because it's affecting your health. You're losing money, one, it's affecting your health, two, and you're killing yourself slowly. Especially if you have kids, you're going to die, leave your kids. You have to take those things in consideration. So if you acknowledge that and you see that you want to change, but the environment is not conducive, you still have co-workers smoking, you still have a husband smoking, you still have the wife smoking, uncle, auntie, whatever it is, and they're still doing it around you and you're just forced into doing it. Try to escape that. Whenever they come around you, tell them, hey, I don't want that around me. Whenever they come around you, you move away, you walk, you gently walk away from it. Try to do that. Try to help yourself, because nobody can help you but you. And if you acknowledge that you need help, then you have to push yourself. Regardless of what is out there, you have to push yourself, because there will be obstacles. Nothing in life is easy. So there will be obstacles in your way, but how are you going to overcome them? You can't just expect to just change in a blink and an eye, or snap of your finger. Alright, I'm a changed person, I'll stop doing that. Change takes time. It takes time to implement these things, and you have to work on it and work on the environment that you're in. Try to escape it if you can. If you can't escape it physically, try to escape it mentally, and just try to be the best you that you can be. Try to, come through, commit to that change. As a friend told me, a lot of times we say that we're going to do things and we say, alright, this is what I'm going to do, but we aren't committed to it. We aren't invested in it. And sometimes we have to commit and invest if we really want to change. We can't just say, alright, I have this really good idea, I want to build a house, but you're not committed to building a house. You're not committed to using the money that you have to build that house. Instead, you squander the money and waste it on things that are not necessary at this moment. So, you know, what I want you guys to take from this is that commit to things, you know, escape the environment that you're in whichever way possible. Motivate yourself, push yourself, you know, try to find the resources to make yourself better. Look on the brighter side of life and just try to be the best you that you can be. So, you know, I hope this message stick. I hope you guys try, you know, to escape the environment. And, you know, if you are in a situation like this where you want to stop and it's hard for you, you can share it below in the comments, you know. Tell me what you think about this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up, give it a like. When you like it, more people get a chance to watch it, you know, keep up the views. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. Oh yes, thanks to all the new subscribers. I think I'm at 350 subscribers now. Yeah, me, almost at 450 more to go, 50 more to go. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I hope you learn from this. I hope this, you know, let you look at it from a different angle. So thanks for watching JVLOGS again. Respect. I'm out. Respect. Wait to say a while. Respect. I'm gone. Alright.